Alright, go for it.
What is this button?
PTL. Inside the original.
Oh wow, first floor.
3. The whole indicator actually works. How rare is that?
Oh, what is that?
Is there PTL out here too? Oh, there is.
Really?
999 Walt Whitman Road.
Another building with this plaque.
Owned by the same property. Hopefully it wasn't owned by that other place that the guy threatened me in.
I don't think so.
Yeah, some guy threatened me. Wait, you want to do it again?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, didn't have classic leveling. I thought it did. Why is there? Oh no, they say different things. I think.
What?
Yeah, I thought they were the same thing.
What this?
Maintained by KONE. Yeah, those two.
That's not what I even know.
Oh, it does have classic leveling. Machine room's right there. All right.